Let me see. Where's my chocolate? Do you want any help, honey?
Oh, thank you, but I can do it. Yes.
Oh, come on.
Oh, why do I hiccup? Why? Silly! Tony! Curious, no! Chippy, 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 choo! Hick, hick, hiccup! Chippy, 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 choo! Judy, Tony, will let you go! I'm my diaphragm, I'm the little lung. When I get smaller, the lungs get bigger. When I get bigger, the lungs get smaller. The air comes in and goes out when we breathe in and breathe out.
I'm a glottis, I'm the passageway. When I'm open wide,
The air comes and goes,
when I'm closed tight,
no air can pass through. The air comes in and goes out
when we breathe in and breathe out.
when the diaphragm comprises, it becomes smaller. Smaller, the diaphragm contracts, the lungs get bigger. Bigger, the air comes in, the glottis pulls in. The sound of the air passing through the passageway. Hiccup, 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 is it gone? Hiccup, 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 not at all. Hiccup, 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 is it gone? Try to stop it, we can't help it. Hiccup, hiccup. By the way, what surprised the diaphragm? Aha! Let me tell you why. When you are cold or surprised, when you're nervous, hiccup, you need something spicy. When you eat that hiccup, hiccup, and a pleasant feeling, diaphragm hiccup feeling. Hiccup, hiccup, let's make hiccups go away. Swallow a spoonful of sugar. Hold your breath for about 10 seconds. Get a steam forward and drink some water. Hiccup. How long does it last? Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Is it gone? Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Not at all. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Is it gone? Trying to stop it, we can't help it. Hiccup, hiccup. Holding breath and we all have it. Hiccup. Oh, finally.
But you haven't been cold, you weren't surprised, and haven't eaten anything fast. What made you hiccup so bad?
Some hiccups just happen for no reason. Oh, what is it? Phones?
My chocolate? Honey!